This is a summary of the essential content from the Food Studies topic, Preparing Food, Methods. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key facts or key concepts from this course topic. Moist cooking methods involve heat applied through liquid, like water or stock, over a long period. This can cause water-soluble vitamins to be leached into the cooking liquid. Dry cooking methods, like roasting or grilling, apply heat directly onto food. Heat can cause starch to turn golden and sugar to caramelize. Frying involves heat applied through fats or oils. High temperatures destroy heat-sensitive nutrients. Shallow frying with butter or margarine is a healthier alternative. To preserve nutrients in vegetables and fruits, cook with a lid on and for the minimum amount of time. Steaming reduces nutrient loss, and vegetable water can be used for gravy. The choice of cooking method depends on factors like time, facilities, nutrient loss, individual needs, and preferences. You should consider these factors when deciding how to cook meat and vegetables. An increase in temperature causes protein foods to denature, meat to harden and darken, eggs to coagulate, and starch to gel. Fats melt and can decompose at high temperatures. Acids, like citric acid from lemon juice, alter flavor, appearance, texture, and nutritional value of food. It can help make jams and prevent browning of fresh fruit. Different acids have various uses in cooking. Vinegar is used in preserves and marinades, ascorbic acid in flour treatment, tartaric acid in baking, and lactic acid in cheese making. Alkalis, like baking soda and cream of tartar, are used as raising agents in baking. When heated, a chemical reaction occurs, producing carbon dioxide for a light texture.